Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the True Strength Index indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the True Strength Index indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 233 indicators, and out of those 233 indicators, 87 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 87 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing our trading profits. All right. So today's indicator is the True Strength Index indicator. So in the past, when we were testing the TradingView default or the TradingView built-in indicators, there was one that was called the True Strength indicator. You can see it here on the very bottom of the screen. You can see that it was a 0 line cross with two separate lines that would also be a 2-line cross type setup. And we tested that one, and I don't remember how well it did. I think it met the 60% criteria, but I'm not sure off the top of my head. So today's indicator is not that one. I know it holds a similar name, but it's not the same indicator. It's this one here, the True Strength Index indicator. This one was created by a TradingView member, and it is more like the RSI in that it has a overbought and oversold area, zones or lines, and then it has the middle kind of ranging zone that it can also kind of run in between, or run in, I guess I should say. And so the setup is relatively easy. We are going to test this very similar or exactly the same as we tested the RSI. And so what we're looking for is for the line to break down below the bottom line and then come back up and enter or cross back up across the line, and that would be a signal to go long. If we were on the opposite side, we would wait for the line, the true strength line, to cross up into the overbought area, and then we would wait for it to cross back down that line, and then we would take an entry for a short. So pretty simple setup, and yeah, not a lot to it. So we'll go ahead and test it that way, see what we can get out of it. Moving forward here, we are now down into the oversold area, and so what we're waiting for is a cross back up above this negative 25 mark here. So we'll go ahead and continue to play it on, and there we go. We get the cross right on that bar right there, and unfortunately that one did not work out for us too well. It almost immediately reversed on us and continued to push itself down pretty far there. Then we get another swipe down underneath the line there, and another push back up above. That one is right there, and unfortunately another entry right as it was having a strong pullback, and it came down and stopped us out one more time. So far it's not looking too great, but as we have tested many indicators, don't give up on it yet, because I have seen indicators start off not so great and then they end up coming back in the long run and achieving the 60% criteria. All right, we are now down in the lower zone again, and we are waiting. You'll have to excuse my dog. He's over there grunting and making all kinds of noises. It is crossing back up above right there, and let's go ahead and play it out a little bit, and that one got us to take profit. There we go. So we picked up a winning trade off of that one. Let's continue to play it forward here and moving along, and you can see that it goes extended periods of time without getting out of the ranging zone, and that is actually the end of the year right there. So obviously we have 3 trades, we have 1 winning trade, and that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. So this one is rather interesting. I feel like it would do better. Obviously, it would do something more than what it did if we narrowed in the bands. I'm not sure why the bands are as wide as they are. Maybe for some other type of trading, some other maybe crypto trading or something that might have a little bit more volatility to it, possibly. I know that the creator of the indicator had it on the indicator page. I believe he had it listed or displayed on a crypto, maybe even Bitcoin. So maybe that's why it is set up to have such a wide band that it has to go through. But I feel like that if we narrowed in these bands, like I said, a little bit more, that they would serve us a little bit better. So I might play around with this one on my own to see what I can get out of it, see if it's worth testing again, and then we may double back onto this one to see. But I really have a feeling that if we just knocked these bands or these areas, the overbought and oversold area, brung them in a little bit more, narrowed in everything a tad bit, that obviously it would give us more signals and probably would give us signals at a little bit better timing. So maybe not, but for now it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.